All right, now that we know our parallel and perpendicular line slopes, let's look at figuring out if they are parallel or perpendicular lines given their whole equation. All right, so let's just remind ourselves, write it down, our equation forms. Remember, we have two of them. We got slope-intercept form. This is the one we like a lot. Y equals mx plus b, where m is our slope and b is our y-intercept. Today, we are just looking at the m, so whatever is in front of the x. We also have this standard form, and this is our ax plus by equals c. And you can manipulate this form and put it into slope-intercept form by solving for y. Okay, so let's look at some. So again, you're going to be asked, are these parallel, perpendicular, or neither? But now we're going to be given our equations. We need to first pull out the slopes of each of them and look at them to compare them. Remember, parallel lines are the exact same. Perpendicular lines are opposite reciprocals. And if they're neither of those, then they are neither parallel nor perpendicular. Okay, so compare our slopes. What do we got? That first one, it's in slope-intercept form. So it's just whatever is in front of that x, 2/3. Second one, same thing, 2/3. Let's look at these slopes. Are they the same? Yes, they are. So they are parallel lines. Okay. So it was easy when they're in slope-intercept form, but what about our standard form? So we're still going to be doing the same thing. We're going to be figuring out their slopes, comparing them, and then determining what kinds, if they have a relationship, parallel or perpendicular. I've got a little shortcut for you using our standard form. So you can take the opposite of A. So if A is positive, make A negative, and vice versa. If A is negative, make A positive, over B, and that's going to be our slope. If you don't believe me, then rewrite both of these into your slope-intercept form and tell me what the slope is. And if they don't match what I have, then we got a problem. Okay, so you take the opposite of A over B. So remember here, this is A, this is B. So we're going to take the opposite of A. A is 2, so opposite, we're going to take -2 over B of -3. That minus sign goes with that B. So -2 over -3. The negative divided by the negative cancels out, and our slope here is 2 over 3. Okay, let's do that for the second one, A and B. A is +3, so we're going to take the opposite of -3 over -2. Again, that minus sign goes with that B. So we've got -3 over -2. So are these slopes, so our slopes are 2 over 3 and 3 over 2. Are they the exact same? Nope. Okay. Are they opposite reciprocals? Let's look at the opposite part. Opposite means one's positive, one's negative. Was one positive and one negative? Nope. So they have no relationship. They're flipped, but not switched. So this is neither our parallel or our perpendicular lines. Okay, you are going to keep practicing doing that, pulling out your slope and comparing them. If the A and B thing confused you, let me know on the example video of extra examples. If you need to watch it, I will do one where I have solved it for slope-intercept form. So let me know when you have questions.